Another pain point of a company that uses Salesforce that we wanted to address is the absence of configurable products in standard sales or service cloud delivery. These configurable products are called bundles. In Sculptor, we provide a bundle builder that has a similar interface to the Sculptor interface of the opportunity or quote builder. The difference is on the right side, where you see the bundles that exist in the org. For this example, we will examine the Nice PC bundle, consisting of features, meaning groups of options. Options are products that get selected upon adding a bundle to your quote, proposal, or opportunity. In our example, we have a processor feature that consists of CPU options and some other products that are not added to any features. These specific features are listed in another product section. As you see, the bundle builder supports different types of features. For example, we have multiple choice where you can select several options that you want, or just the only type that allows you to add just one specific product from the feature list. And you can configure the number of items included upon selecting a specific option in the bundle. The price, of course, also gets selected based on the price book. This is the composition of the bundle that we have for the dealer prices. Let's try and see how it works with the opportunities. We return to the Opportunity Builder, select any opportunity, like this, and find the required bundle, Nice PC bundle. We are adding it to the opportunity, and we can configure it by pressing the Edit button. As you can see, we can select a specific CPU. We have a tip that guides us through the process and advises us that this is a more powerful option. We can change the price if we want. We will be notified that it was changed manually. We can select some other options in this bundle if we want. After pressing Save, we have the decomposition of the bundle added to the opportunity with the indication that the price was set manually. Of course, the total price of the opportunity is also recalculated.